Water pH and buffers. Water pH and buffers play crucial roles in agricultural practices, influencing plant growth and soil health. It also have the effectiveness of fertilizers and pesticides. Water is vital for crops, serving as a medium for nutrients transport, photosynthesis, and cell hydration. The amount and quality of water used in agriculture that significantly impact plant growth, and too much water can lead to waterlogging. And if it's too little, can cause drought, stress. Irrigation practices need to account for water availability, crop needs, and efficient water use. The pH of the soil affects nutrient availability and microbial activity. Plants generally thrive in soil with pH between 6 and 7, where essential nutrients are most accessible. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies or toxicities, limiting plant growth. So, an example of which is acidic soils, phosphorus may become less available, while alkaline soils, iron, manganese, and other micronutrients may become less available. Buffers help to maintain pH stability in the soil. They resist rapid pH changes, preventing the sudden shift that can stress plants. Soil have a natural buffering capacity, but it can be influenced by factors like organic matters content and the presence of certain minerals. In agricultural system, farmers add lime to pH in acidic soil or sulfur to lower pH in alkaline soils, depending on crop needs. Proper buffering ensures a stable growing environment and allows for consistent nutrient availability.